I'm filming again, dude.
Alright guys, so today on...
Hey.
Alright guys, so we just passed our fire safety inspection. It's evident that they do a really good job because we have a wall that has a hole in it. So we put the power cable from the TV that you see up over here. So we punched a hole through the wall, ran it to an extension cord, and then ran that extension cord into a three-way splitter that is going through another wall.
Hack. Gotta love it. So welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be working on the 240. Lately it's been having a coolant leak. Well, actually for a few months it's been having a coolant leak. Just a slow drip onto the garage floor since it's been winter, things got cold, yada yada, and took it into town a few weeks ago and the car started overheating. So today we're going to fix that. I think it's coming from the intake manifold, and there's a few other things I need to get freshened. Okay, so I got the intake manifold out. I suspected the coolant leak to be exactly where I found it, which is right here where the coolant goes into the motor inside the intake manifold, right there. The gasket failed. I didn't have any RTV on it, so I'm going to do that. Couple other things to fix, couple wiring things to fix, and then since I have no heater, this was my coolant hose. Yeah, there's too much going on here, so I ordered the Nice Time Racing heater delete, and should be here soon, next week. So I'll install that. That'll clean a lot of things up, and I'll just get this going again. So yeah, that's where we're at. All right, a couple hours later, this guy's working real hard. Cheers. So when I push my clutch in, it makes a really bad squeaking noise, and turns out that I need this little blue clip here. Here's the part number, and that goes in the little seat where the spring goes on the clutch pedal. So I'm underneath the car trying to push that in right now. Alright, what's up? We're making a bracket for Alex, and I'm going to get it designed in Fusion, get it printed, and then plasma cut. It's Tuesday, just a shop update. Gonna keep going. I really want to stay consistent with the videos. How's it going?
So far, so good.
Yeah.
There you go.
How's it going? Alright, I'm wrapping up for the day, but just want to show a couple things. We did get a dryer for our air compressor. Picked this up on Craigslist yesterday. It's a Kaiser, so pretty nice air dryer for the compressor so that we don't have issues when we're cutting on the plasma table or powder coating. We've had a lot of moisture issues, as I've mentioned. Got a few things done today. Back here you saw Carter sandblasting, so he got those two polish holders done. Let me turn the light on. Now we can see. Got those two polish holders blasted for definitive, and then we got one of our bolt chemical holders welded up. So yeah, that's pretty much it at the shop today. I will show you guys what's printing in the print room. So right here is a little jig we're making for these jacks. This is just going to slide on over here. and then let us drill in the right spot. So V2 of that's printing right here. And then we have a bracket for Alex, his new front fenders on the RS Foe. It's printing right there. Yeah. Alright, it's Wednesday. Alright guys, so we got the dryer hooked up. Kaiser air dryer for 375 bucks off Craigslist. Got it all hooked up here. Looks sick next to the powder coater. I am in way too deep. So we got some parts hung on the rack here. All sandblasted, ready for powder.
All right, Andrew, what do we got going on?
Well, we eliminated my hack heater bypass coolant hose setup, and we got the Nice Time Racing heater bypass setup in here with the AN lines. Looks really nice. Hopefully it all holds. I'm putting the intake manifold together right now, and then we'll get everything put back together, get the coolant in there and bled, and hopefully everything's solid. With that new coolant hose fitting, the throttle body, the sensor of it actually hits on that line. So what we're gonna do is put a spacer in there, a throttle body spacer, and we just cut one up. So cut it on the plasma table.
Looks like shit.
It does look like shit, but it's okay. Gonna sandblast it. Hopefully that fixes. All right, so we got everything wrapped up. We got the throttle body spacer in just to clear that coolant line right there. And as I said before, we just plasma cut that out. Got everything up, buttoned up. And we'll let it dry and put coolant in it tomorrow. All right, let's see those brackets. Dang. All blasted. Those look professional.
They look really nice.
And what are those going on?
These are going on a RS Foe.
RS Foe.
So he ordered carbon fiber wide body fenders for his original S4 Avant. It's a B5. Now he needed custom brackets made.
That's what you get at DGM. Alright guys, it is Saturday and the 240's out of the shop. Hopefully it works. I guess we'll see. Zach's got the vet in here. And what are we doing today?
We are installing an AEM wideband gauge so it can get tuned for its 18% lower pulley, its ethanol, and then its air intake. So probably going to take it around 560 horse to the wheel stock, all the way up to hopefully 650 to 700.
There we go. So now I'm designing and 3D printing a gauge pod to clip into the vent. So here we go. All right, so I got it designed, and this is not it. This is something that came off Thingiverse. Okay, here it is. So we're gonna clip it into the vent. And those are those two little tabs on the bottom here. And we'll see how it goes. So just took the 240 for a drive, and it did okay. It didn't overheat. Cracked the bleeder when I got it in here. A little bit of air came out, so I think we're doing okay. I think we're doing all right. I put that shifter bushing in to prevent the squeaking when you push in the clutch pedal. I don't know why Anjuku doesn't just include that inside the pedal, but $2 pieces installed. Also, they don't sell hood badges anymore for this, so this is actually for like a Frontier, and I just cut the clips off of it. It's a little bigger, so yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but I like the look of it. Other than that, seemed to drive okay. It idles a little high. I think I messed with the throttle body too much, but hey, we're getting down the road, right? How'd the gauge pod turn out?
On the what?
The gauge pod.
The fins are way too thin.
Oh. I'm an idiot.
Other than that, it's really good.
Cool.
You can check it out in the car.
So here's our powder coated polish holders. I think they turned out really, really nice. So there's a key holder, hose holder, and this is a skid plate for a Corvette. Really nice. Oh, that's not too bad for V1. I guess it works. All right, guys, we got to end this YouTube video. That was a Saturday. Parts are powder coated. 240's going. Corvette's going. Parts are printing. I'm ending it. Peace.